Hello and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. It's been a while since I've done an update. I apologise for that, but it's been a bit busy and I've got some things done, not as much as I wanted, but autumn's here and I'm trying to get a roof on the front section of the building. So we'll have a little wander over and I'll show you what I've done up to now. As you can see, the leaves have been falling like crazy. Hopefully you can see there the progress that I've made on the building. I've got the post up and the steel across to the workshop at the back, which is what I was hoping to get done on the last one. And I've got the rafters up. This part of the building wasn't up on the last video either, so I've got this section built up. I'm gonna have two big windows in there, and an old patio door that I've got is going to be fitted in that space there. But I've got all the rafters except for I'm going to put another pair of rafters up at the front to create an overhang over the doors. But you can see there that made a bit of progress on that front. I do have some materials here. I do have some materials waiting, some OSB board, and that's the insulation for the roof. So the boards are going on, and then insulation on top of that, and then I've got the tin sheets here waiting to go up as well. Yeah, so I just need a bit of. The weather's been really poor recently, and so I've been waiting for a bit of decent weather and the time to be able to get on with it. But you can see there that the opening's all ready and the roof's ready to be covered over. Let's have a little wander into the workshop. It's dark in here now. I've got the windows in, but I have, albeit temporary, but I do have. Oops, not that one. I do have a couple of lights up now, so I can see what I'm doing when I'm working in here. So, progress in here. Well, starting from this side, I've got the OSB board and insulation on this wall. I've got the little windows. I think we're already in on the last one, but I have got them sort of framed out now, so that so they look a bit tidier. I'll put a little bench here. This is something that I had. The top was something I had previously, and I've just put some legs on it and fixed it to the wall. And as you can see there, I've got a bench grinder and another grinder there, ready to do some work on. I have made my mitre station. So the mitre saw is here and set down so that it's level with the two sides. There's still a lot of work to do to it. I need to put shelves on and things, but at the moment it's a working mitre station, so it's so that's great. I've got a couple of new additions. that I'm very pleased about. My brother and my sister-in-law had this made for me, which is really nice, and a friend gave me that, which is Dutch for enter at your own risk, and I've got a clock up there to keep an eye on time. So that's that bit. I've got another. This is another one of those little benches that I had, and I just popped a couple of legs on it, and put an old chest of drawers underneath there. I've framed out this window, so that's nice and tidy now, and that wall's got the insulation OSB board. The gap in the middle, that's where my wood burner is going to be going. So I've got some work to do there, but I have got the wood burner, which I managed to get for nothing from some people that I'm doing some work for. So that'll be great when that's up and running. Some new additions. I've got my new lathe. I have to keep it covered because it's a little bit damp in here, and it's the Record Power Coronet Regent. So that's I have used it because I needed it for a project on a building job that I've been doing. I turned some pillars for a porch. So that's it has been used, but it hasn't been used for any sort of hobby turning yet. So hopefully I'll not be long before I'm doing that. And I've also got the pull it off, maybe not. Don't mind me, I'll get there eventually. Shoot that round the back. I've got the Record Power Sabre 350 bandsaw, which will be a great new addition. And again, I've used it for work, but not for leisure yet. And similarly, I've got a Laguna table saw, a Fusion Laguna Fusion 1, I think, Fusion 1 table saw. And it's a really nice saw, and I've been using it for cutting up some of the wood for working in here. For some, because all the timbers at the back of this OSB board and insulation, it's all 2x2, but I've trimmed down 4x2s to make those. And yeah, so there's a lot of mess everywhere, and there's still a lot to do. And this side's a bit of a disaster, but I'll get it tidied, and I need to find places, like all my screws and fixings and things. I need to create somewhere to put them all, because at the moment I'm just moving everything around in circles. But hopefully I'll get there, and and it'll be a bit tidier. But as you see, I'll get the things in the background there. That's ideal. As you can see, some progress, and still an awful lot to do, but we're getting there, and I'm hoping soon that I'm going to be able to do a bit of turning, at least a little bit before Christmas for sure, so I can get a couple of little Christmas projects out, and sort of put some proper videos up for my my channel. Right, I'll do a quick I'll do a little view outside of the workshop, and then we'll at the end of this, and we'll call it a day, because it's Sunday evening and I've got work tomorrow. But hopefully you enjoyed the little catch up. If you do, give it that thumbs up, click on the thumbs up, and if you can, share or subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, that'd be great. It doesn't cost anything and does help me out. And please write a comment, if you will. I'm not sure whether I've got one of those, I forget what they call it now. It's some kind of Zoomy thing that's supposed to promote your videos down at the bottom. If there is one, click on it. I can't remember what they call it. Anyway, hopefully it'll not be long before the next video, and a bit more progress. I'm hoping soon to be getting some work done on that roof, so I can get the next bit covered over, and then I'll have somewhere to put all this stuff out of the way in here, and I can start to get this place tidied up. Anyway, my name's Andy Paramore. This is Andy's Cornish Creations, and I'll see you on the next one. But hang about just to have a look at little like a flyby, but not really. Goodbye.